Hey everyone, and welcome. So, if you're a beginner developer, today we are deconstructing something completely foundational. It's the engine that powers, well, absolutely everything we build. Yep, we're talking about the internet. Right now, thousands of computers around the world are talking to each other silently and instantly. How does that work? Seriously, think about it. It kind of feels like magic, doesn't it? But actually, it's a highly logical system. Let's start with the basics. The term internet itself is really just short for interconnected network. It's not some single hidden supercomputer locked in a basement somewhere. It's actually millions of machines all over the globe, physically connected to each other by cables, fiber optics, satellites, and wireless signals. Every single time you stream a video or load up a map, you are relying on this massive physical infrastructure. Okay, to really wrap your head around this, I want you to think of the internet exactly like a massive city postal system, right? In the physical world, your house has a street address, you mail letters, and they travel through post offices. Well, in the digital world, it's the exact same concept. Every single device has a unique IP address. You send data that's been broken down into little chunks called packets, and those packets are directed by things we call routers. Let's look at the journey. When you send a message, it's instantly broken into those tiny packets. Each packet gets stuffed into a digital envelope, labeled with both the sender and receiver IP addresses. Then they're passed along through routers, which are basically our digital post offices. These routers sort and send them down the fastest available routes. Now here's the wild part. Because they might take totally different paths to get there, they actually arrive completely out of order. But don't worry, they just get perfectly reassembled right at the destination. Now, you might be wondering, how does that not result in total chaos? Well, machines follow really strict rules called protocols. And for us developers, the big ones you gotta know are TCP and IP, Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. Basically, these are the rules that make absolutely sure your scattered digital letters are reliably put back together in the perfect order every single time. So how do you actually tap into this whole system from your couch? Well, your laptop talks to your home Wi-Fi router. That router connects to your ISP, your internet service provider, who basically acts as your local mail carrier. From there, they connect your data up to regional networks, plugging you straight into the giant global internet backbone. Which brings us to our final takeaway for this explainer. The internet is not magic. It is the world's largest postal system. But for data, that is the internet. And now you will never forget it. Keep building, everyone, and I'll catch you next time.